Hey, we're finally getting started on our insulation, but it's required a visit from both sides of the family to actually get going. So we're putting a 2x10 at the top here. Seems way overkill, but the idea is to have something we can nail our ceiling to. It needs to stick out over the wall, so once we get the wall up, that needs to stick out over the wall so we can nail it. So I'm putting these little blocks of wood up here to set that 2x10 on. Now we've got Tom and Randall here. We're going to pull that pallet racking out just a bit so that we have room to work behind it. This is called a power hammer, but I don't know, I consider it more of a gun. It actually uses 22 caliber shells, loads. So I'm loading it now, so everybody knows there's fire in the hole. Then this nail is the projectile. You put it in all the way up to here, like so. I debate on which order to put things in. I don't think it really matters, honestly, because there's no way this is going to be hit hard enough until I actually whack it. There's a spring loaded right here. I push it down and hold it tight, and then I whack the top of it with a hammer. Now, this is a good place for eye protection and hearing protection. This thing looks fairly simple, but it's kind of mean. And there's the empty cartridge. You'll be able to see a little bit of remnants of the blue up here. Okay, Randall.
You're the man, Randall.
You're on.
Ready?
Are you ready is the question.
Good question.
You got a whack.
Really, you do?
Now, give it a yank upward, grab the bottom and give it a yank upward, and that makes the cartridge come out.
Okay.
Wasn't that bad, huh?
No.
I'm like Randall. I think I would put the nail in first.
That's kind of the way it looked like you ought to do it, but I don't have any.
Well, if you put the nail in first, you definitely aren't going to have an explosion.
It'd be easy to get too deep in it, shouldn't it?
Sweet!
Did you say let's go eat?
Cheeseburger time!
You look like you're being real precise with that.
Hey! So here's my thinking, guys. I'm thinking the R value of this stuff is incredibly high.
Yeah, and it's fine.
And I'm thinking that 1 inch of this stuff is probably a lot. So 4 inches of it is amazing, and 6 inches of it is, who cares?
Little does a little good, a whole lot does a whole lot of good.
Always want to cut him off for length or what?
Did we miss?
We missed.
Too high?
Too high. By far? Oh shoot, that was the top side. Oh my goodness, how silly. Bring her out. Now I'm looking bad. Yeah, this was the top side of the board down there, not the bottom, so I've wasted all this.
We're gonna get all those clothes and grab this truck, man.
Yeah, I was thinking
We're
that.
gonna blow you off.
Yeah.
That actually, oh my gosh, it's even square.
Looks like we need some more off. May need to be a little shorter now.
May need to be a little shorter. That's exactly how it had to be cut, Christy.
Yeah. I'll bet you a Frosty you have to cut it again.
I already owe you too many Frosties.
Right.
But I think we might win this one.
Well, I'm glad somebody's gonna win one. I'll take the Frosty right now. Frosty sounds pretty good.
Frosty.
I love Frosties.
It's no sense. I gained an inch.
picture angle off too steep. Needed more off the back, didn't it? If you kept it going, you might get it. You're close.
Yeah,
You're close.
I've got a Frosty writing on this.
Oh, you can smash her in there now, can't you?
I was gonna say hand me the saw, but that would have lost the Frosty.
I think you need the saw.
I think you need one more jam.
I think you need more frosting.
Hammer!
Right here.
You got to have a hammer quick before I have to get the saw.
I think what counts is getting a frosty.
Why doesn't it go now?
Because you need to cut it again. I think Frosties are 50 cents. Just give up.
Are they only 50 cents now?
Well, they were a week or two ago.
When I paid last time?
Yeah.
I give up.
Just tell him to
Here's my
saw.
50 cents, hand me the saw.
I'd rather have the frosty than the 50 cents.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Because I'm not convinced you can buy a Frosty for 50 cents, but maybe you can.
Nope, this video is not sponsored by Wendy's Frosties.
Good grief. Yeah, there's a tape report that top loads in there, isn't it?
I gotta come out there.
No wonder.
It needs to be.
Looks like you can tell where it's rubbing a little here.
It's gonna work, Randall.
I don't know.
You should get the joy of this, Randall.
Oh, it's pretty joyful. Oh, look at there.
That'll do it.
It looks like it's paid for. Doesn't it? Look at that.
We finally got the right guy measuring.
Yeah, no kidding.
Get me out of the measuring business.
Get me out of the measuring business.
Oh, we're just-
Up on the front.
Christy and I have moved this workbench probably half a dozen times now with Johnny. However, I think this is the first time we've actually captured it on video. We've noticed that we often don't have the camera around for some of the smaller, simpler tasks that we use a tractor for, minute by minute or hour by hour. We're going to make an effort going forward to try to capture more of those small projects.
Okay, guys, there's a time where Johnny 2 would have been much more painful to work with. Yeah, we could have got some of the more stuff out, and it would have been a lot more work for us to clear it out more behind the tractor. But as you could see, it took every bit of space that we had to navigate there. Additionally, I had the 36-inch forks on. If I had 42-inch forks or 48-inch forks, that would also contribute to reduced maneuverability. So some questions get answered. If you watch the details, sometimes you'll see that there is a difference, and there is a reason for the smaller equipment.
Wow, that's gonna be
Nice height, isn't it?
Hey, we gotta put a block in the bottom there.
Hey, we gotta put a block in the bottom there. I just thought of that. This episode's sponsored by
The original ski. with real lemon juice, real orange juice, real citrus taste, made in the same authentic flavor since 1956.
Get this at your local retailer as long as you live near Evansville, Indiana.
You can get it in southeastern Southern Illinois.
That's near
That
Evansville,
may be
Indiana.
about it.
The tri-state area.
Yes.
So Tom, what is ski? What does it taste like? Oh my.
I didn't think it's quite that dramatic.
How do you describe it?
It's a slightly more lemony than a Mountain Dew.
It's just, I like it better than Mountain Dew.
Yeah, it's better. It's a better taste than Mountain Dew.
But guys, they're not a sponsor. It's just, this is how we're keeping Tom going this morning. Keep drinking
Hey, this
ski.
is better. I'm a lot better humor since I got my ski.
You ready?
I guess.
I don't think he sounds like he really
He's
wants
not
to
very
do
excited about this whole project. Have you kind of noticed that, viewers? Maybe Randall's not quite as excited about this as he is farming.
it. Yeah.
It doesn't have a steering wheel.
No steering wheel, no GPS.
No push the button. That's the whole problem. There's no
Oh,
button.
is that what the problem is, Randall?
I'll just put my earplugs in so I can't hear you.
That was good.
You ready?
Looking good. That time it did it, didn't it? It jammed on in. Pull it out. Sometimes.
No, I'm not sure it ever. It doesn't act like it's holding much.
No, it's not. Grab another.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
We never fired. What happened?
Open it up and see if it mashed it sideways.
How'd it do that?
Did it get sideways? Yeah. I don't know. Sometimes it comes out. See what I mean? Mm-hmm. That's exactly what I was telling you. So at least you understand it's not you. You know what I'm saying. In fact, it looks like it's shot, Randall.
It did shoot.
Yeah, it shot inside the handle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Must be a pretty good handle.
It must be.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
That sounded like a gooder.
You didn't know he was going to get to do any shooting this morning.
No. Ready? Try her.
These guys are still working, and all I can think about is where I'm going to get my cheeseburger.
I've been considering that pretty strong.
That's pretty well cut up.
Pretty well modified. Here you go. See if it fits in there.
Beautiful job, fellas.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. It still acts like it's. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Boy, you're going to take some little pucky on this time.
Yeah,
Or a smarter pucky. That super sealer is going to have to be pretty super.
Yeah, I wish you hadn't cut out that little notch there, that little circle or angle notch there in that one, Tom.
Yeah, but that's form fitted. That's special.
Look at that.
Precision.
Yeah.
Well, I've had to call in family now twice to work on this project. First, I had to call in my father-in-law, Bobby, and we got it started, and now you guys have had to come help. I think we've got that back wall insulated, and we came up 8 foot on each side so that we can try to finish that back section. If we can get that finished, we can put some pallet racking back there, and then we can put some of the attachments that are still outside inside. So, you know, you guys may be great farmers, but I think you need more practice with insulation and carpentry, so I was thinking maybe you could help me with the rest of this. What do you think about that?
Well, I think that the only thing that would help us do this easier is more cheeseburger.
More We've got to go get a cheeseburger. We don't have time for any more foolishness. What do you think?
That
Sounds like a plan.
That's the most important priority.
I'm afraid I'm going to have to buy the cheeseburgers today, guys. But, oh well. Thanks, guys, for joining us.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody. And we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
Yeah.
18 and a half to 25 and 25.
Okay, it's on now.
Yeah. So now I have your face in it.